Half the country voted for this administration thinking that none of this was going to affect them. And it affects other people, but it doesn't affect me. Well, they're affecting we, the people. A not so fun fact is that there are 72 million people that use Medicaid for their healthcare needs. I know most of us don't use it, right? But these programs affect the most vulnerable among us. People below the poverty line, children, seniors, people with disabilities, veterans, people in hospice care. If you Google Medicaid in your state and use one of their calculators to see if you qualify, you will be completely appalled at how little income you can make to qualify. To be clear, we're taking money away from people that are below the poverty line. We're taking resources and services and healthcare services from poor, pregnant young women, people with disabilities, children who bear zero responsibility for their financial outcome. And we're saying, F it, they'll have to figure it out. We're taking resources from seniors who account for 80% of Medicaid participants. These are our parents, our grandparents that we are trying to take care of. And do you know that 60% of seniors using Medicaid have Alzheimer's? This is such a devastating disease that it requires 24/7 care, and so many American households are affected by it. Nursing homes run about $12,000 to $17,000 a month. I don't know about you, but I can't afford that. Medicaid makes it possible for families to make sure that their parents can get a level of care that most of us can't afford. Now, these are people who worked, paid their dues, and are now in a stage of life where they have most likely a very fixed income, and their health, is for the most part in decline because as you age, things start to pop up. And what we're saying to seniors is, hey, good luck, thoughts and prayers, right? Now, who else gets affected by this? Who else is part of these 72 million veterans? We must do right by our vets. Please call your reps today.